You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is c equals 34. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all c terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 8c from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 14 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is c equals 34.